Welcome to our channel. If you want to subscribe to LinkedIn Premium to access advanced features for job searching, networking, or learning, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to linkedin.com, then log in to your existing LinkedIn account. Step 2. Click on Premium in the top navigation bar to view available premium subscription options. Step 3. Review the different LinkedIn Premium plans, including Career, Business, Sales Navigator, and Recruiter Lite, each designed for different purposes. Step 4. Select the plan that best fits your needs by clicking Try for Free or Select on your chosen plan. Step 5. Most plans offer a free trial period. Review the trial duration and what happens after the trial ends. Step 6. Enter your payment information, including credit card details and billing address. Step 7. Review your subscription summary, including the monthly or annual cost after the trial period. Step 8. If applicable, confirm your professional details and job search preferences to personalize your premium experience. Step 9. Click Start My Free Trial or Subscribe to activate your LinkedIn Premium subscription. You'll immediately gain access to features like in-mail credits, advanced search filters, and who's viewed your profile. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.